Welcome everyone. This is Sushil Badichan from Agilemove. Today's topic, we had question from Scrum Master saying, hey, manager thinks Scrum Masters are taking their job. So what can you do in this situation? Well, first of all, if you are a manager watching this video, be rest assured that you have a critical role to play in Agile transformation. To address the Scrum Master question, would like to give two-step kind of a solution there. Number one, clarify roles and responsibilities. That's the first step. And then second, create working agreement. Okay, let's go a little bit detail on this. So first of all, manager and Scrum Masters are complementary role. They support each other, right? It's not like a one versus the other one. It has a two different kind of role. So first thing is we need to explain between Scrum Master and manager. So if you are a Scrum Master taking the initiative, set up a call with manager and talk about the roles and responsibilities of these two positions, right? So for manager, hiring and onboarding the team member, that's definitely manager's responsibility. Removing organizational impediments. Sometimes the Scrum Master may not be able to remove all the impediments because of the maybe manager has more connections, then more people, or any other things for that matter, right? So manager can definitely help with Scrum Master. Similarly, coaching the team from the development practices, right? Because Scrum Master may not have all the technical know-how, and at least it's not expected, right? Same time, motivating and engaging the team, right? So it's manager's key responsibility. And of course, it's not easy thing to do as well. So there is a lot of effort that needed to invest on this, right? And focus on the career development as well for the team members, providing periodic feedback, coaching them on their career and all those things, right? These are basically manager's responsibility. And on the other hand, a Scrum Master is really more focused on the Agile perspective, governing and coaching Agile team about the practices, right? Agile practices, principles, right? Coaching the team and even the product owner, even the manager, right? From Agile perspective. And removing impediments for the team, of course, and then escalate them to a manager or any other party who can solve the problem, right? And facilitate, of course, the Scrum events, all the sprint planning, reviews, retro, daily stand-up, backlog refinement, and all this stuff. And protecting the team. If any stakeholder, for that matter, or anybody else come in and give work that's not in the sprint backlog, then of course, Scrum Master need to protect that from happening, right? And build a container. So Scrum Master, as I said, is not expected to be technical or domain expert and all those stuff. So Scrum Master's job is to facilitate the discussion, build the container, and let everybody else build the content for that matter. And of course, the facilitate team self-organization, that's the key part of it, right? And support engagement and fostering collaboration and everything, right? So these are some samples. There are even more roles and responsibilities that we can talk about, but at least you got the idea that the first step is to make sure that we clarify the roles between manager and Scrum Master, okay? So saying that, and the next step is basically creating working agreement. We do create working agreement in the team, as we know, right? So that team understand how they behave with each other. Similarly, you can create working agreement between Scrum Master and manager. Here are some examples, right? Respect each other's role between Scrum Master and manager. Be open and honest to each other. If one person step anybody on the other toe, then basically let them know, be open about it, discuss it, right? And similarly, focus on team engagement and outcome instead of personal influence. It's not about kind of who's influencing the team more. It's about, are we helping them getting engaged and create the outcome that's needed by the organization. So focus on that collectively, right? So again, these are some examples. So please work between the Scrum Master and the manager and create this working agreement. It is very, very useful to prevent any future conflict that might happen. Okay. So anyways, hope it was helpful for you. And thank you so much for watching the video. And please stay tuned. And don't forget to watch my upcoming video as well. Thank you so much.